Yo, Keegan Murphy. Who else is out here? QO Bill, Eric J, John Wilcox, Dr. J. Love that. Cube, Boog. How do I get my confirmations for entries? I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Right Investments, what up? Soul Hell. Tony Gold. Raphael. I mean, I might trade this shit. I don't know. Renee, what up? Right Investments. Kenny. I think I got everybody. So, John Wilcox. Yes, sir. So, Boog. It really all depends. I look for certain things. I look at the fib a lot. I'm a directional trader. I look for reversals and bounces of certain key levels. You know, but that's just me. V33, Michael Scott. Do I use Replicanto? I do not. Rick, 24-hour streams. Let me turn my screen sharing on because we've basically gone sideways since the market reopened. I thought we were getting, a lot of us thought we were going to gap up or something because the Ukraine news, we're basically going to be getting all the money back that we sent them in exchange. They're going to allegedly give us, we're going to be able to just suck them dry of their natural resources. I think that's a fair trade. And then, you had the good earnings with Microsoft and Meta. Qualcomm wasn't that good. Tomorrow you got Apple and Amazon. But we all thought for sure 20K was going to happen right at the open. The market reopened. It did not. 20K happened. Not. Am I in everything? Oh, it doesn't really matter. I just need to be in Apex for now. All right. Okie dokie. Let's turn this fucking screen sharing on. And I'm cooking some fucking shit on the grill. So I got to pop out and check on it from time to time if you guys don't mind. All right. Yeah, we've literally done nothing since the market reopened. This is what happened. We dropped a little here, we popped, and we've just been going sideways ever since. On the 1 minute. If I look at different time frames, Micah, what up? 4 for 4 on flipping past tests, baby. You didn't unpass any of them? I've never done that before. Boog, why are you asking me about? I thought you were asking me because you just wanted to know how you were trying to learn something. It seems like you know more about trading than I do. I just look at the numbers. Oh man. Juan Wick. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Maximus, Vero, Roberto. I took a little bit of a break. I'm not going to stay on too long though. I do want to go to the gym. I would like to work out. There's just such a fucking glare in here. Damn. Let me. I mean, dude, we fucking shot the fuck up. I'm about to kill a fly. About to kill this fly. I don't know what's going to happen here. Here's the bottom orb. Here's the top orb. We're somewhere in the middle. We're basically right at the VWAP. We haven't been up this high since the beginning of April. If I go to the 4-hour chart, yeah, right here, look. The last time we were up this high was the 2nd of April on a Wednesday. Bull 10, what up? Nice. Hey, I like that. I like that. Oh, yeah, of course, Boog. Yeah, I'm not the best person to learn from. I'm honestly, because I'm kind of crazy. I do a lot of dumb shit. I mean, I take a lot of good trades. One thing if you hang out long enough, bro, one thing you'll learn about me is 80% of the time my take profit gets hit, and 80% of the time I'm no longer in the fucking trade when it happens. That's something you'll learn, and that shit drives me crazy. So anybody who's smart and they like, and they're in agreement with me with the trade I'm taking, most people will hold that trade and probably do okay. And I'm the fucking dummy who fucking pussied out and let myself get, I trailed too tight or something. Of course, Apex pays, bro. They just paid out like $5 million to 2 traders. And a bunch of people get payouts all the time in the Discord. And a bunch of people on the stream, like even today, that was like, I don't know, $20,000, $30,000 worth of payouts across like 3 or 4 different people who got approved for their payouts pretty quickly too. Rick, yeah. Thank you, man. Yeah, I am. One thing is for sure, I am getting better every day. Every day in every way, I'm getting better as a trader and as a person. Oh, Mario, what up? Bacon. Bull 10 hasn't been denied once. We have another guy, Alan Rose, who hit the super chart. He hit the super chat earlier today. He used to be known as Stoic Trader, but he's trying to brand himself differently. Although I like the name Stoic Trader, I think that's a really cool name. He got paid. He has requested and been approved for 160 payouts with Apex. Never had a fucking problem. I think he got like 120K this month alone. So like, I'm not worried about Apex. TD Wolf, what up? Yeah, bro, I'm still streaming during Power Hour, man. I'm still streaming during Power Hour. I'm just streaming all the fucking time at this point. I've just been streaming a lot lately. I'm going to kill this motherfucker. I think he wants to go back outside. I'll give you a chance. I'll give you a chance to survive. I'll give you a chance. Get the fuck out. No. Hold on. Be right back. So what I was saying was, what was I saying? I don't even fucking remember. I don't remember. Franny, John Amos, Apex doesn't pay their traders. But thank you, Rick. I am a habitual payout receiver, that's for sure. The only times I've gotten denied by Apex is because I violated rules. Tony Gold. One trader made a 1.2 million. What was that? Like that guy John, like a month ago. Patrick Weiland got like what, 600,000 in fucking December. And then 2 different guys got like over 2 million each just recently, like a couple of days apart. When people are saying Apex doesn't pay their traders. Okay. TD Wolf, my bad, bro. Yeah, I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place. But I'm always going to be streaming during Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Franny. Newts. False. Yo. Yo, Newts. I need a, if you don't mind, if you have some time, if you could hook me up with just a random, maybe even a payout request party thumbnail. I think that would be beautiful. If you want to hook up your boy. Newt makes some killer graphics, header graphics, your fucking like logo graphic, your emoji graphic. He'll make that for you. Hit him up. He'll hook you up. Thumbnail graphics. All right. So what are we doing here? Anything? Oh, shit. I missed it. What was that? A casual 40-point pop there. Just a casual 40-point pop. All right. Here's my Apex account. So these are all my PAs I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 4 are on day 2. These 4, if I could get these to a payout, will most likely be denied. because on the first day I was fucking around with them during the Open, the New York Open, because I was still up and I was still streaming. And I violated the 30% rule like 2 or 3 times. I did no spit, nothing. Just straight up violated the fuck out of it. And then even today, knowing that I violated it like 3 times yesterday, I violated it again today. But either way, they're up $2,262 after 2 days. This one's up $2,860 after 3 days. This one's already in fucking over the buffer. If I could get this shit to 4,100 to max payout land in 5 days, that's like been my goal lately. And I've achieved it. I'm 5 for 5. I am 5 for 5 with my new approach. I altered my approach like about a month ago. I said max payout or bust. Max payout or bust was my approach. I was tired of getting the $600 and the $700 payouts, and there's nothing against anybody who does it. I got them too. And I will not, if I'm at the point when I can request and that's all I could get, I'm taking it. I'm requesting 720 from Take Profit Trader. Damn, this shit just fucking popped. 50 fucking points. God damn it. Right? But with Apex, it's different. You get just over the buffer, you can request $500. I just was doing the math. If I was getting max payouts, let's just say they never if they never changed their payout format and made this new safety net thing, and it was still, you could still request a max payout, which is 2,000, just by getting the 2,600, I'd be profitable with them by now. If you do the math on all the fucking payouts I've taken, I'd be profitable with them. But no. So the only way to get to the max payout land is to push the accounts. So that's what I want to fucking do. And I failed miserably. I actually was there how many fucking times? Right there. Just needed a few $100 here, a few $100 there, and I fucking shit the bed like a fucking, I don't know. Like all of a sudden I can't perform under pressure. On day 7, day 8, I would fucking blow the accounts like a dumb fuck instead of maybe just flipping and taking whatever I could get. But no, I don't know how to fucking just take an L for a day. It's either the way I've been since day 1 is I'm either green or the account's blown. I've never just taken a red day and be like, okay, I'm just going to walk away from this account and move on to something else. That's something I want to work on being better at. So once that happened a bunch of times, I decided I'm going to push the fuck out of these accounts and try to get to max payout land as quickly as possible within the first 4 days, 5 days, right? You need 5 days of $50 or more, and then flip the rest of the way. So I don't have to put any of this weird pressure on myself on days 6, 7, 8, whatever, day 7, day 8. I don't know why, because I can perform under pressure, no problem. I always do. I'm an athlete. I'm a competitor. I perform under pressure. I come through clutch. I haven't played baseball since January 5th, but I am one of the more clutch players on my fucking team. The most clutch, if anything. So for whatever reason lately, I just been shitting the bed. I became like a little bit of a choke artist. So now, once I changed that approach and said, I'm going to get there as fast as fucking possible, I'm 5 for 5. Look, day 8, this is the one we're going to request right now. This one's on day 6. This one has 6 days in. I'm going to get the 7th day in. I'm going to flip to this account today, maybe right now. And then these, I just pushed over max payout land today. And now I can flip the next 3 days because I don't need to trade them, right? I don't need to trade them anymore. I just get my flip days in. So like, look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,000 right there. Obviously, Apex has to approve the requests. I don't see why they wouldn't. I didn't violate any fucking rules that I know of. So let's fucking get to it. Monica! Yesterday it's done, not today's. Monica, I got paid in 30 minutes. I requested last night at 10:20. Actually, it was like before 10:20 Eastern. The money was in my wallet at 10:48. I have the timestamps to prove it. If you want me to show you, I will. JC Trades, what up? Todd L. Yeah, I've done it too, bro. I did it. Man, I fucked myself easily out of $15,000 this month. I could have been telling you guys I had a $21,000 month because I did over 6. I did I was at 52.42, and then I just took what did I do? 1120 times 0.8. 52.42 plus 896. I did $6,138 this month. It could have been over 20 grand. And even the last 4 accounts I had that I blew, they were at like 3,700 and change. And I needed $306 to get to fucking max payout land. And I could have just flipped the rest of the way and taken like $6,800 combined. And I fucking blew the accounts like a fucking loser. So I've been there, bro. Just know that you're not the only one who's doing it. And I guarantee you there's other people in addition to me and you that have done the same fucking thing. Trust me. When the resets end on my JK, 20% off My Fund the Future resets, eval resets, ends Sunday night, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. And any new starter accounts that you buy, there's no more daily loss limit until the end of May. Also, everything is 5% off. That's not on sale. So basically, any account that you buy, like new, any evals, any of those those eval to live accounts, which are like worse than regular evals, any of that shit, you could save 5% when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. All right, let's fucking request this shit. We got 85 people on right now. Fuck yeah, guys. Thank you. Could hang out with anybody, but you're choosing to hang out with your boy and everybody else who's in here, obviously. The best community on these platform streets. All right, request payout. Here it is in the drop down. Boom, 269, baby. Please enter an amount between 500 and 2,000. They will always tell you how much you can request. If you were at like $3,655, they would tell you that you could request $1,555. They would tell you could request any amount between 500 and 1,555. All right. So we're going to request the max payout. You guys see that? Let me make this a little bigger so you guys, so you guys can see. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, love it. 2,000 smackers, 2,000 smackers, game blouses. We did it, Joe. Now, obviously, I have to wait for Apex to approve it. Payout request submitted. There it is, 269 pending. Bam. So that's that. We did it, Joe. Crankberry, make it bigger. That's what you want me to fluff my fucking tab right now, Crank? Hotshot, what up? How many LS400s are we buying today? I can tell you one thing. It would take a lot more than $2,000 to get a decent LS400. Ian Connor, I hopped back on, bro. Drewski, what up? Mel, dude, maybe. I mean, from your lips to God's ears, man. Vince, what up? I love gold. What's it doing? Damn, what a fucking little pop here. Going to make new highs. Gold, yeah, gold dropped. It's kind of just chopping around here. It's grinding up and down on the fucking. It's like this fucking VWAP. The VWAP looks like a stripper pole horizontal. The way this fucking gold is fucking swirling around it. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? 10K in the bag. Obviously, I have to get approved. But so this one's requested. Let me go back to the PA charts page. Micah. Yo, yeah, bro. Me and you were like degenerate cousins. Degenerate first cousins. Rick, what up? HR, thank you, sir. Thank you. What's good? Gary B, you like that shit? Ian. Oh, man, bro. I did that last month. I was on the same boat last month. Stacks, what up? Who do I have? Warriors or Rockets? Man, if Jimmy Butler's playing, I have the Warriors. The Rockets aren't ready. Steph Curry is a fucking guy. Is so fucking. He's a killer, man. He's a good fucking player. Great player. JK, thank you. Juan Wick. He was talking shit. Halliburton's dad was talking shit to Giannis. Why? What did Giannis do? Other than his team got fucking spanked. If I was the Bucks, I'd be fucking worried about Giannis. I'm hearing fucking rumbles about him coming to the Knicks and shit like that. Not that he's great. I would love to take him, but like, I don't know how that would work. Cube. Cube. He fucking he's a dirty player. You need a guy like that on your team, but he's I don't like Dylan Brooks. He's a fucking jerk off. Josh. Who? Dylan Brooks or Jimmy Buckets? The Warriors, the Rockets are favored? Get the fuck. What are they playing in Houston? Jimmy, yo, they were 23-7 after they traded for Jimmy. They were borderline over 500. Let's see if I got approved yet. Could you imagine? Imagine I got approved in like 5 seconds, like my fund the futures. Oh, that's fucking cool, man. Yeah, well, that makes sense, Josh, because you're over in fucking. How could you miss him? Did he have like a hat and sunglasses on so no one would recognize him? It's the fucking guy. What is he, 6'11" or some shit? Jimmy Bucket's back hurts. Just him being on the floor, he'll be a good decoy. Brooks is, yeah, I don't like him. I mean, even the shit with LeBron, because I'm not a huge LeBron fan. Holy shit, you got Right Investments, Josh. You got Dan Emmons is in fucking Milwaukee too. Eben R, what's good? Jizz Buckets. Jimmy, A28. 100%, bro. I'm with you on that. Jimmy Jordan. The long lost. He doesn't know who his father is. He's a killer. He's a winner. He's got a certain type of swag. That's his kid, bro. He's broke back Butler. He's been to Diddy parties. Gary. Dakota said Kobe was the GOAT over MJ. Get the fuck out of here. I love Kobe. Kobe was the closest thing to Jordan that will ever be. I would take Kobe over LeBron, but I would never take Kobe over Jordan. Get the fuck out of here. Dakota obviously is what? How old is Dakota? He obviously didn't grow up in the 80s and the 90s. What was he born in? Fucking 97? Get the fuck out of here. Come on, man. What are they putting in that water? Doesn't he live in Utah? What are they putting in that water over there? Yeah, bro. Yeah. I love watching old school basketball videos on YouTube. The shit talking stories, all the stories that the legends talk about with other legends talking about guys like Jordan, Larry Bird, all that type of shit. Jimmy's good. Right Investors was born in 97, and you know that Jordan's the GOAT. Yo, right Invest, bro, I graduated in 1997 from high school. Fuck you, man. Let me check on this food. Hold on a sec. It's ready. Hold on a second. I gotta take this shit off the grill. You want to see what I'm cooking up over here? I'm just grilling it. My wife's. Hold on. Ooh, yummy. See that black blob? That's a dog over there. That's a dog. That's a Luna. Anyway, sorry guys. My bad, my bad. I had to take care of some shit, you know. Gotta hold it down. My wife's working out right now. She's doing, she's doing good girl, bad girls for me. T. Charles. Oh shit, there she is. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at holy shit. Woo! Show them what I'm working with over here. I just took it out. Full-time trading looks delicious. Are you talking about what's in the tray or what just walked in? Watch it, bro. I guess I gotta leave. I could go back in there. Yeah, I'm gonna relocate. What thing? I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it. I couldn't pull it out. Oh man. Looney. She was working out, yo. She was doing those good girl, bad girls for me. Doing squats. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Cube, what up? Yeah, she's working. Yeah, she's working on the shake weight for fluffing skills. Tommy Stark, what up? Oh, nice, bro. Jonathan Trentwell, take us for a ride in the whip. Let's do stream donuts. Yeah. I didn't have another whatchamacallit thumbnail to use, so I just used that one. Closest thing to around this time of day anyway. Am I approved yet? Damn it, I'm still pending. What's going on here? Ooh, gold. I love gold. I just got to get you know what? I just got to get flips in on these accounts. Hold on. The Isaac Cappy didn't kill himself group. Which way are we going? Down or up? What am I in? Let me get out of fucking minis. Let me get my flip day in. Day 6. Let's get day 6 in right now. Caleb, what up? Ian Connor. The commission on my fund the futures? What, like on... I don't know. I don't really pay attention to it, but like I feel like they're all around the same. I feel like I get fucked the most trading Project SlipX when it comes to shit like that. T. Charles, Braun over MJ any day of the week? Come on, son. Who was talking about, there was somebody, Spud Webb. Spud Webb was being interviewed, and they, like, these debate, this, like, the question always gets asked. I think it was Spud Webb was a guest on Mark Jackson. Mark Jackson has his own podcast or video, whatever channel, and he does it with his son. His son's a new head, doesn't understand, doesn't respect the old game, clearly. Thinks LeBron is the GOAT. Mark Jackson played. Mark Jackson knows who the GOAT is. And They were talking to, they had Spud Webb on. I think it was Spud Webb. If it was not Spud Webb, it was the other guy. I think it was Muggsy Bogues. They had Muggsy Bogues on. And the thing that Muggsy said was Jordan had 0 deficiencies in his game. LeBron has deficiencies. I mean, end of story right there. Jordan is a fucking killer. LeBron was never a killer. He'd rather pass the ball to someone else than take the fucking game-winning shot and, you know, have to hear it if he loses the game. And he'll just blame everybody else. Jordan never blamed his teammates for anything. He just took responsibility like a man. There's so many things. 1978 here as well for Mel. Nice. 40 and over party, baby. Hot shot. You graduated in 96, born in 79. No doubt. Yeah, me too. Born in September. You know, there's a really good channel that like really just basically just beats up LeBron every chance he could get. The channel's called The Real Mind Crime. He puts out, his videos are fucking dope. Saucy G, what up? Yeah, Jimmy is Jordan's son. Without a doubt. Jimmy Brokeback Butler. But LeBron. Come on. Daddy. Listen, motherfucker. Monica. KD's about to open when? What time does NKD open? Does NKD open in what? At 8 p.m. Eastern? Josh. John Morant? I don't know, man. They just got their shit pushed in by the fucking Thunder. They didn't even put up a fight. Scottie Pippen Jr. was fucking the best player on the fucking Grizzlies. It's too bad you know what would be crazy? I could see it happening too. I could see just based on what happened with Luka, I could see the fucking Grizzlies trading John Morant for like a bunch of fucking first round picks. I could just see that happening. I don't know if it ever will, but I could see it happening. If fucking the Mavericks could trade Luka for fucking Anthony Davis. Yeah, Tony Gold, they're hard to match up with, but come on. The Grizzlies didn't even put up, they got their shit pushed in. Not as bad as the Heat, though. Not as bad as the Heat. The Heat, my God. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the Lakers are good. What's up, Nayo? I can't believe the fucking Knicks choked yesterday, man. Fucking pisses me off. He's still killed. Hotshot, he's still good, though. He's still really good and really efficient. You should keep Bronny. Watch him go, give him more minutes and let him go 3 for 15 every game. What happened today for the pump, Costa? I think the PCE and was it PCE or GDP? Something was good. New home sales was good. The fucking the GDP forecast was good too. And then we had earnings. You had Microsoft and Meta, and they beat. Scroll up to the 1992 Olympic Dream Team. John Wilcox. Oh, this is this giant red line. This is the VWAP. You go, it's not anywhere here. You have to go to community indicators. And then you type in, I don't use VWAP bands. I use the second one. I use the one that's just called VWAP. This one right here. Let me scroll down a little bit so you can see it. My head might be in the way. Whoops. Fuck. No. You motherfucker. It's this one right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's the one under nom nom nom. It's the one under this one. It's the one right underneath it called VWAP. modified from Tiki VWAP. I use that, and then when you hit install, click install, and then you'll be able to find it here. Whoops, you'll be able to find it here in indicators, CE tools, and then it's right there, CE VWAP. Eminem. Steve 1, what up? Yeah, I thought you were saying 1 minute. I'm like, how? How is it opening in 1 minute? The VWAP. No, it's the VWAP. You gotta say it like you gotta say it like that. Yeah, you just look up VWAP. Nikolai, what up? MJ bullied the shit out of everybody. He was a beast. He didn't give a fuck. MJ he would always look for a reason too. He would find something to take and be like, I took it personal. Muggsy too. Of course, he abused everybody though. It didn't matter who it was. He fucking bullied Dikembe Mutombo. Pimp Daddy. Yeah, buddy. He talked a lot of shit. He was nasty. He would be disrespectful. But then like he was boys with everybody. Like, like be hanging out after the game playing cards and shit. Or even before the game. He would go into the other team's locker room and be like, it's going to be a long night for you guys. And then he put up like fucking 50. Yeah. Rick, I'm telling you, he's, Do I have deviation bands? I do. You see these red dashed lines right here? I always have one standard deviation above and below. The upper and the lower, the VWAP bands. It's crazy. LeBron has more Game 7 wins than Jordan. That's the one thing LeBron could say about the playoffs. He has more Game 7 wins than Jordan. But Jordan's never played a Game 7. I mean, in the finals. Never played a Game 7 in the finals. What are we doing here? Oh, I got to flip a mini. A micro. Equal highs. We making new highs here. Isaac Cappy didn't kill himself. All right, we're in the right group. Oh, I wanted to go short, you fucking motherfucker, man. I wanted to go short, too. I missed it. I want to win the trade. I don't want to lose. I don't like losing trades. I don't care if it's just a flip. Uh-oh. Oh, it didn't fucking fill me. You fucking piece of shit. Damn it. And I don't care if I get stopped out for a loss. I just can't lose. I can't lose more than $34. Hit it. Let's go. Hit it. Hit it. Let's go. Get the fuck down there. Get the fuck down there. Let's go. Oh, I had $1. Come on, baby. Give me this pot. Win it. I want a green flip day. Let's go. I need more cushion for the pushing. Oh. Are you kidding me? Goddamn new hour fuckery. Hey, we did it, Joe. $3.96 for the win. Day 6 in the books.
Vinny Lee, what up? Am I a Curry fan? I don't hate Curry. Got tons of respect for his game. He changed the fucking game. Everybody wants to be like Steph now, hurling fucking threes from all over the place. Vic Med, what up? Oh, Vinny Lee, I didn't. I hope you're still here, bro. I hope you're still here. What up, Alfred? Kensha. NKD is what is that? Is that China? It's the Asian market. It's the Nikkei. I don't know how to pronounce it. The Nikkei. NKD. Alfred. Roger Adams. I don't know, bro. Oh, it's the Japanese index. Yeah, my bad. Just goes to show it doesn't matter. I didn't know. I forgot that the NKD was a Japanese index, and I just requested another $2,000 payout. You don't need to know everything, guys. Just perfect example right there. $25 a tick. Yeah, NKD's. I've traded it before. It's fucking crazy. Kensha, what up? Stacks. Are you talking about Diddy or are you talking about Jordan? Are they really get what's the score? What the fuck? Let me see. Holy shit. I think, it's like dude, I wouldn't be surprised. All of this shit feels rigged to me. I wouldn't be surprised if they let them win so they could get another game out of it and get some more revenue. It's all about fucking revenue. It's all about the money with this shit. All right, so I got my flip day in with these. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders. Done. Done. I got to get my flip day in with this account with 271 in Wealth Charts. Hey, guys, just so you know, Apex 80% off and Bullinox 91% off. And tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Bullinox is option 1, 50Ks or bigger. The 50K is the only one worth getting. Let me unhide my account numbers. 271. All right. Let me change the symbol. MNQM5. 271. Let's get one. Let's let this fucking shit so I can see what the fuck's going on here. Let's try to win. This is day 7. So today's day 7, Thursday. And then Friday will be day 8, and I'll request another payout on Friday for $2,000 from another account. Love it. All right, my order's in. Dump it. Let's go. Hit it. Let's go. Hit my take profit. Come on, baby. Please, Granny. Please. Hey, we did it, Joe. $7.46. Fuck yeah. Another flip day in. Cancel all, no open orders, flatten, all that shit. Yeah, buddy. We did it, Joe. Flip day 7 here. Day 6 here, baby. Watch the fucking Warriors come back and win. I wouldn't be surprised if that happens either. Fuck yeah, guys. Woo! Can I request money on Take Profit Trader? Yet? No, not yet. It's still showing yesterday's numbers. We did it, Joe. V33. Fuck yeah. Who's Joe? TJP. Someone tell Monica who Joe is. Smash the like button for my fucking My baller ass trading right there. Look at me. 396 times 3. What am I up? 12 bucks. Yo, I'm up 19 fucking dollars, guys, across 4 accounts. Hell yeah. Jago, what up? Oh, I definitely use the stop losses. Why wouldn't you use a stop loss on a funded account? If you want to give yourself some room, give yourself room for it to breathe. But, you know, you don't want to get caught in one of these fucking candles. 90. Just not, well, that's not that big, but like there'll be just, something will happen. Trump will tweet or somebody will say something that Trump said or did. And all of a sudden you'll get a 50-point algo candle. And if it goes the wrong way against you, you're fucked. Joe Mama. Yeah. Yeah. So what happened, Monica, is when Joe Biden won the presidential election in 2020, when he won, wink, wink. They showed like a clip of they made this made this video of Kamala pretending to be on the phone with him, saying, "We did it, Joe." She was like fucking with her hair. The biggest fucking. That was about as fraudulent as everything else with that presidency was. Biden 2028. They're gonna bring one of the versions of him back from the dead. What's my risk, Jago? Well, with Apex, I'll never risk more than 30%. Unless I'm fucking around and finding out during the New York Open in 4 brand new funded accounts. On other prop firms, I don't know. It depends. I don't have set risk parameters. I'm not super rigid. Pimp Daddy, absolutely. Fucking Bernie Lomax looked more alive than fucking all the different Joe Bidens they were rolling out. TJP. Yeah, she was really on the phone with him. Okay. What happened? What, Nikolai? What doesn't? I don't know. I missed it. Oh my God. You could always, I can't talk about this shit, but really, the easiest way to tell, based on like the Joe that has been the guy that's been around for fucking 40 years, and then the guy that all of a sudden was Joe Biden, you could tell by the ears. The ears were completely different. He had detached lobes, and the new guy they were completely attached. And everything, there was so many other features about him that were completely different. Monica, maybe, but I'm always going to withdraw. If I could take money out, tomorrow's not promised. If I could take money out, I'm taking money out. Because what if I fucking blow it up the next day? At least I could say I got to pay another payout. I've done shit like that before. I've tried to get more money. Oh, you're saying he doesn't look like him or whatever? I don't know. I'm fucking Joe Bidinsky. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think that's what you're talking. My bad. Sunglasses Biden, deal with it. My favorite was Another Day at the Beach Biden. TJP 2000. Damn, this shit is popping. Well, what'd you say? NKD just opened? The Japanese market just opened. Also, they have some news. They have news today. I don't know when. Does anybody know what time all this is happening? Whoops. They have Bank of Japan policy rate that's like the fucking loan rate, whatever, mortgage rates or whatever. Monetary policy statement and Bank of Japan outlook report. Red folder events. What the fuck? I don't know when this has happened. It's been like this all day. It's been saying tentative all day, and it never happened. Oh, and we got Trump talk. Trump's talking right now. Trump is talking right now. What's he saying? Eddie Campbell, what up? Father of legends. How do I beat intraday drawdown? I don't know, man. I'm just so used to trading with it because I started my journey of prop firm trading with Apex and only traded with Apex for like the first 3 months. So I'm just so used to it by now. I don't just so, and Take Profit Trader has it. You can't, the thing about that is, if you go up pretty big, you want to as far as I'm concerned, it's hard to trade, trade chart. I don't know. I'm not a trend trader, but I always trail. Sometimes I trail too tight, but I like to trail because I would hate to go up 30 points and then it come back 20. And with trailing drawdown, if you're not over the buffer and static by that point, you're in trouble. Even if you win the trade with a positive, like a net positive 10-point fucking gain, you lost 20 points of drawdown. And who knows what size you were in. What if you lose 20 points and you're in fucking heavy and that wipes out all your drawdown and you blow the account anyway? So you just got to be careful with shit like that. You got to watch the pullbacks, or if you're in short, you got to watch the bounces, even if they're just relief bounces. It really depends on the size. Trump's watching the playoffs. Yeah, Biden. Yeah, all types of stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of strategies out there. There's so many of them. What are we doing here? Where are we at? What's gold doing? Well, it's under the VWAP. It finally fell off the horizontal stripper pole. Inversing orb 15 has been working. Well, like what? Like, what do you mean inversing orb 15? The VWAP. You know why I say that? Say it like that, right? I can't say why. Yeah. It's like Alfred. It's like whenever they feel like fucking coming on and talking. Gold's dumping. I mean, yo, that's like we just dropped fucking 50 something ticks. 50 ticks. Gold is crazy. What time is it? Instead of the break, they look to play the reversal. What do you mean, like breaking into it or breaking out of it? I love playing the top orb reversal. I've been doing that since fucking, for a long time, since before I even started prop firm trading. I love playing reversals and bounces off the top and bottom orb. There's always price action around there. Yeah, nice job, Kensha. Great job. Great fucking job. I made fucking show. I made 12 and 7. I made 19 fucking dollars. I think the NQ wants to go up to fucking 20,000. Did we just make new highs? We did just make new highs. Oh, we're right. Actually, no, we're right. We did make a new high by like what? 2 fucking ticks. Yeah. Yeah, it happens a lot. There's a lot of price action around that orb. But you know how it is, pimp. You know how it is, bro. Like everything is great, but it's never absolute. It's great until the NQ just decides, or any fucking instrument decides, I'm just going to blow right through this and I don't give a fuck if it's there or not. I've seen it so many times with everything. The VWAP, fucking certain moving averages, previous day low, previous day high, pivot points. The market doesn't give a fuck sometimes. Nothing is absolute. It's great when it works, and it works a lot, but man, it definitely helps if there's other shit working in its favor. Don't need this fucking happy Fibonacci anymore. Here's something interesting. I had this drawn before, and I fucking I'm on the daily. I had this drawn. I've had it for a couple of days. This is good. Garbage now too. All right. I had this one drawn from the top. This last high, which was March, sometime in March. So this is the daily chart. The happy Fibonacci. Oh, we're out of the fucking golden shower pocket on this too. Jeez. Now we got to try. Now we got to do this. Now I got to expand it. I don't even know what the high is over here anyway. Is that it? Very interesting. Very interesting. Here's another thing we could draw. I love the Fibonacci. It's a happy little Fibonacci. Look at this on the daily. The body of the daily candles bounce right off the midline. I've been noticing with the fib lately. It doesn't happen all the time, but I'm noticing a lot of bounces and rejections. It doesn't matter the time frame, off the 50% line, the midline, in either direction. And the 618, of course. The 618 always. The 618, not always, but a lot. The 618 fucking hits so many times. But now I don't know what the fuck to do here. We're just going up and up and up. Oh, we're right at the top orb right now. We are right at the top orb right now. Did we reject off of it already? What is this shit? Oh, it's the fucking box. There's the top orb. What do I want to fuck around with? Hold on a second. Hold on. What? Oh, there we go. I got to log into my Bullinox account. I'll fuck around with a Bullinox account right now. With my funded Bullinox account. We'll fuck around and find out with this funded Bullinox account. Maybe I could get day 4 in. That'd be cool. Yo, what up? I've been on, I don't know, about an hour, give or take. Probably a little less than an hour. We rejecting off of this fucking, look, top orb rejection right here. Top orb. I don't know if it's going to hold. $936.50. Does it hold or does it keep pushing up? It looks, I mean, it does look. Look at this. This was yesterday's high. Look at this. We just rode along. I didn't even notice this. We just been riding along yesterday's high. Well, today's high, really, but Tuesday's trading session, the Tuesday trading session high. We just been riding along that shit and we finally fucking popped off of it. But look, we're already down 7 points. God damn it. Come back up and fill me. Let's see if it holds. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. This shit's barely fucking moving. I'm probably better off not trading this shit right now. It's moving so fucking slow. Yo, Nikolai. Am I yelling? It's just the way that I talk. And I'm half Italian. Crypticon, what up? It's usually like later on at night. I wasn't able to request a payout until after 10 p.m. Eastern. Damn, that shit dropped. Look at that. Top orb rejection. Is that what you're talking about, pimp? There it is, bro. 17 fucking points already. Damn. What's gold do? Did gold bounce? I bet gold is moving up now. Oh, there it is. Went up. Yeah. That shit happens a lot, bro. See, like, fuck the orb break. Yeah. I mean, that'll happen too. That could happen too. But it's always strong resistance and support until it's not. Almost at 20 G's, yo. Yo, TJP, bro, like 5 fucking people got 88. I was like, motherfucker, man. Yeah. Yeah, Crypticon. Yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for everything to settle. And then it just takes them longer. They probably make us wait also so we're not fucking jumping right out the gun and trading unless we want to risk the potential of, unpaying ourselves. So I'll wait. But yeah, I wasn't able to request until after 10 yesterday. But I got, dude, the money, like, watch, I'll show you. Where is it? So here's the request I made. Day one payout, by the way. I posted this at 20 after 10 Eastern time, which means I requested it and then took a screenshot and then posted it. So at like 20 after, I requested, and then watch this. Hold on. "30 minutes later, look, on the 48th minute, almost the 49th minute, not even 30 minutes later, the money was in my wallet. That was the payout right there. So I requested 1120. After they took their fees, they took the 20%, which just means they're just paying us 20% less. It was 896. There it is. Not even a half hour later. Crazy. I think that's the fastest I've ever had my money from Take Profit Trader, on a payout dumped into my wallet like that after requesting. So they seem to have caught up. By the way, if you guys want to iTrade, what up? Do I have an order on? I think I canceled it. I canceled it because it fucking dropped. I don't know. Now we're back at the top orb. It could easily blow through it, or it could reject again. I don't know. And we've just been grinding up anyway, so I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up, to be honest with you. It's just moving so fucking slow. It's moving so slow, and I'd rather not even trade this shit. I had the opportunity to get something right there. We went from 37 down to about 20. Could have got some of that. I got none of it. Yeah. Yeah, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on inside the orb. Like if the VWAP is in between the orb, like there'll be shit going on around there. I love when there's other factors like the top orb or the bottom orb is like at the 618 on the fib, or you got like a key moving average there, like a 34 EMA or a 5-minute 21 or some shit like that. Then I'm like really confident in taking a shot over there. Yeah. T. Charles, without a doubt. Who just requested? Oh, Corey. You guys, I'm sure you guys have seen Corey in here before. He requested a payout. He said it took him 36 seconds to get approved. He timed it. Fucking crazy. Oh shit, look, it rejected again. Damn, my order would have got filled. Fuck me. I love canceling orders and then not getting any of it. 932. I mean, I would have been down a few points. It wicked over the top orb, just the tip. And it fucking dropped. Another missed opportunity. How far down does it go? Does it come down to the upper the VWAP band? Does it retest the Asia low here that we just had? You come down to the VWAP. Does it come all the way down to the top orb right here? Oh, that's not the top orb. That's the lower the VWAP band. Previous day high. Here's the bottom orb. What's the range? Yeah, this is a big range today. 130 points. You were able to request Bowser today? Do you have a live account? Do you have a Pro Plus account, or you just have Pro accounts? I feel like Pro Plus people get preferential treatment. I can't request yet. I still have I got paid for yesterday, but I still have yesterday's balance in there. I have yesterday's balance after the market closed. It's still telling me I have 1,120 available for withdrawal, But look, I fucking withdraw. I already withdrew 1,120 and was paid. So I don't know. Gold fucking, look at gold. Gold can't get back over the VWAP. Just a casual 70 tick drop. Where's the VWAP? Where's the VWAP at? 900, 902.50? Damn, bro. Look. I'm such a fucking... Yo, I'd be up 10 points right now. Damn it. I'm scared, though. I don't know, man. I don't know. Does this shit want to drop all the way down here? It's also making, you could barely see it, but higher low, higher high, higher low, a little bit higher high, like barely just a tip, higher low again. It's already, I missed it already, Alfred. I missed that shit, bro. Holy shit. I still feel like I missed it. Wow, it's falling out of this range. Maybe it bounces here. We're right there, or it comes down to this. Shit. That's the hourly. Here's the 4 hour. We're at the bottom of this wick right here. I still could see it coming around here. 32.50 range, around here. Around here. Josh, I'm not scared, bro. I'm chilling. You know me, dog. You know I don't give a fuck. I'm pissed about this one. I missed the opportunity. Oh, look, it bounced. See? I don't know now. I don't know. Yeah, Alfred. No thesis. Hashtag no thesis. You just paper-handed gold? Yeah, it happens. Boog's calling for 19,890. I can see why. We got to reject off the top orb again. Just walk away, Jay. I love seeing, yo, you know what's crazy? I love seeing, look at how, like, what up, Phantom? How many reserved eval accounts did you have on Take Profit Trader? They might move them in. I think they'll move them into a, you could have as many as you want, I guess. I don't know if you could have more than 5. I think you could have more than 5 evals. You can't have more than 5 funded accounts, but I think what will happen is you have more and you pass them. There's another section now. They have test accounts. You have the pro, and then you have in the middle pass. They might move those to the pass. If they do that, you might not. I don't think you're gonna have to pay. I would confirm that with support, though. I would hit up support and ask them. No thesis. The New York slang go. It does, bro. I mean, because it's where I'm from. You could have Alfred. How do you know that, man? Alfred knows everything about Take Profit Trader. Is that somewhere on their knowledge base? Knowledge. Hey, don't say fuck you to me. Fuck you. How many accounts can I have? Oh, here we go. For instance, if a trader was granted 5 pro accounts on and subsequently completed an additional 7 trading tests by 117, eligibility for activating 5 pro accounts would arise on 117. Oh, I don't know. That's not what. FAQ. Hey, fuck you. How many accounts? It dumped even more. So it broke that level. Oh. Oh, it came to this area. Yo, it just came to this area. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I love gold. Wow. Dude, it just bounced 150 ticks. I was saying that was a fucking key level. I didn't know it was going to go right down to it right now. Right here was a key level. This whole area right here. You look at the daily, there's a pivot point right here. Fuck. Is it going to go back down, or is it that was it? It's probably going to drop back down. I'm scared. I missed it. Fuck, man. Yeah. Yeah, Alfred, I mean, you see gold better than I do. That's for sure. Fucking, this is FOMO. This is a FOMO move right here. That was the level for a bounce. I've been talking about that level for a bounce for like a week now. I fucking missed it. This area right here. It could go even lower. It could come down here too. Fuck. Nice, Micah. Nice. MGC, I'm good on that. I'm good on micros. Jeffrey, what up? Which prop firm should you use? Depends on your trading style. Are you newer to the game? I mean, if you have some experience and you could pass test accounts at a decent rate, take profit trading might be the best option because there's no activation fee. Yeah, FTT. US 30 going for a sweep. The Russell. Nice, Micah. Nice job, Tony Gold, using gold to pass your eval. Fuck me, man. That was a fucking monster fucking drop. And look, we're up 150 ticks from that drop. That was a key level right there. That's why it bounced off of it so fucking hard. Damn, bro. Oh, look at the NQ pop too. Look at the NQ. Popped like 20 points and came right back down. See, we blew right through. We blew right through the fucking top orb that time. Like it wasn't even there. Now we're back in it though. On eval accounts, no, you could pass in one day. I don't know about option 2. Option 1, you could pass in one day. I hate fucking missing opportunities, man. What are we doing here? Fuck, man. Yeah. I hate fucking missing opportunities, man. Even that right there. Just that right there, like, It's so fucking like, look at that. Just that from that wick right there, the bottom of that wick, we went up 50 fucking ticks. 1 mini with 50 ticks is fucking $500. I don't like any of this shit. I'm not feeling any of this shit. I'm just not, I don't know. This was the trade right there. Paralysis. You want the Discord link? Fuck me. I'm so fucking pissed. I hate missing opportunities. Here's the Discord link. You want to join the Discord where the DCA gang hangs out? See? Glad I canceled that order. Yeah, Bowser. This shit just keeps going up. Yeah, Alfred, I get it, bro. I appreciate it. I missed it. I've been talking about this fucking move for days, though. Days. Where is it? Coming down to this fucking level. 32.50. I was just talking about it like earlier in the fucking stream. Damn. They're not always inverse like that, but lately they've been inverse. Last couple of days. NQ just dropped how many points? 40 points? 43 points? Just missed tipping the VWAP. Did some trades I took? Man, I just look for moves like this. What's the math? You could go with 3 minis, which is $60 a point. I look for any type of move where I could get 12.5 points minimum, at least. And I try to get 12.5 points, playing half or smash. And then I try to do it the next day. And then whatever's left over, I try to get on day 3, and then I flip the rest of the way. Alfred knows best, Mr. Wayne. Alfred knows gold. He's really good at trading gold. So is Bowser. I'm okay. Like, I'm getting better at it, but I'm not. I know gold in terms of like long term because I own gold. Like, I have physical gold. I could go grab some gold right now and twirl it in my fingers if I want. But in terms of trading it, gold is crazy for me. It's crazy to me. I've done it. I had some big days with my Apex accounts just yesterday. Long-time listener, first-time baller, Jim Blob. Triple M's. Yeah. I just wanted to do a payout request party, which we did, and here I am still on here trying to take a trade and just not taking shit. Look, they're both going down right now. It works like that? I mean, I have the orb on there. I can't see it on the fucking... It basically rode along the bottom. It rode along the bottom orb and then dropped. Yesterday or Tuesday, it bounced around in the orb. It bounced around. It ping-ponged from the bottom to the top, and then it finally dropped out and kept retesting the bottom orb. dumped, came back into the orb, dumped back out of it, and then was retesting it again. Here's the bottom orb from yesterday. Damn, this shit is fucking. It's gonna fill this. It's gonna probably fill this wick. Coach Singh, what up? What's the orb? The opening range breakout. Cattle go, Golden Boy. It's the opening range breakout. I like to look at the 15-minute opening range breakout. So it's the high and low of the first 15 minutes of a session. Yeah, I'm fucking suffering from analysis paralysis here. What a fucking drop. So, in the meantime, might as well tell you about everything that's going on. 80% off Apex until 11:59 p.m. Eastern tonight. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Whoopsie. 91% off Bullinox, option 1, 50Ks or bigger. Just get the 50K. It's the only size worth getting. High or low, or is it going to drop back down? I don't trust this shit. Yeah. I don't trust this shit, yo. Anyway. Until 11:59 p.m. Bullinox ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern as well. 91% off. Both Apex and Bullinox end tonight. All-in cost is cheaper. Oh, it depends on the account you use. It's actually about the same. That depends. It depends on if you do monthly or a lifetime. It's about the same. There's my Bullinox link. Take Profit Trader is still 30% off with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. If you want to support the channel, of course. Obviously, the fact that you're here right now is support enough. I appreciate you guys. But if you want to support the channel more and use the best code that has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, ZERODAYJay is the one. You should try it. My Fund the Futures is doing 20% off. Oh, there it is. High or low. Just like that, it bounces fucking 65 ticks. Let's see. Fuck. So much FOMO. So much fucking FOMO. NQ just going sideways now. After this, it might drop. NQ might drop and come down here. It's back in the orb. It might go to the bottom orb, which is way down there. I don't know if it will, though. It's a fucking piece of shit, man. This might come all the way up here. I don't know. Fuck me, man. Yeah, My Fund the Future, 20% off evals that are less than 30 days old, 5% off of everything else, any new accounts that you could buy. No activation fee for evals. The daily loss limit on new starter purchases is no longer a thing until the end of May. There's no daily loss limit on starters anymore. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay. What else we got? Trade day 40% off still on everything until further notice, I guess. There this fucking shit goes, man. Fuck it. Now it's gonna drop on me. Watch. Yo, what I fucking say? It fucking knew. It was like, can we sucker Jay into a long here? It fucking knew. It fucking knew. I always get suckered in. I trade. Yep, the best fucking code. The best code. Uh-oh. Watch it come all the way down here because I'm a fucking idiot. I have no respect for these Bolonox accounts. It's so annoying. Come on, don't be a bitch, Gold. Give it to me. Come on. Let's go. Get the fuck up there. Yo, the market makers are watching. They know. They're like, oh, look at Jay. Look at this sucker Jay. He's a sucker MC. Keep going. I'm locking that in. Yo, how did I lose $100 on that? It said 430. Such bullshit. Talk about, look at that slippage. Look at that slippage. It said 430 on the fucking screen. Unbelievable. Oh, man. Watch it hit my take profit, too. Where was my take profit? 622. Here it comes. They're not, are they that big? 6 ticks? Yeah, I guess I was in 2. Here comes my take profit. Come fill me. No. Yes, no, no, yes, yes, no. Oh my God. Gold is jumping. Oh. Oh yeah, it filled me all right. Let's go. Don't drop down. Don't drop down and hit my stop. Don't do it. Do not come down there. Get back up there. Push it. No, not down. Push it up. Come on. This shit is jumping. Everybody's like, gold is so clean. Nothing clean about this shit. This shit's all over the place. Oh, come on. Did you see that? I was about to lock it in. Fuck me. It's going to drop and take me out. Look at that. I fucking knew it. Because I couldn't get out. Fucking bullshit. Let's see. Can I get a dildo candle up or is it going to just drop on me? Couldn't let me take that 90, $100. It's just going to find my stop again. Oh my God. Look, it couldn't get over this. It couldn't get over this area right here. I wanted it to come up here. So many people say it though, Alfred. Maybe you don't say it's clean. People are like, oh, gold is moving so cleanly. Yeah, okay. Every time I fuck with gold, it does shit like this. It's like crazy. Darrell's nutsack. Approve my payout, bro. Approve my payout. The North Italia restaurant in Henderson. Yo, it's right next to Flower Child, right? In Green Valley. I've seen it. They just opened up. They've been up, what, for a few months? Send the memo. This thing's going to drop on me, and I'm going to get stopped out again. Fucking A, man. What's NQ doing? Nah, it's kind of coming up. What's wrong with $300? Oh my God, are you fucking serious? Can't even look away from the shit when you're in this fucking thing. Look, now I'm going to get fucked. Now I'm going to get fucked. So I had like 20, I had like 250 bucks. I couldn't even fucking put my stop up. I would have. Yep. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Fuck this. Watch this. Watch me get stopped out. So annoying. Dude. What? I'm ready to fucking like, I'm going to fucking have a fucking seizure watching this shit. Oh my God. And I know I'm going to get stopped out and it's going to fucking pop. Move up. We got to blow on the candles. Blow on the candles. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Let's move this up some more. Watch it go up. Watch it come up here. All right, I'm back up the same amount I was before. God damn it. What the fucking gold? What the fuck was that, man? Shit is crazy. Oh my God. Look at this shit. Fuck that. Let me go back to the NQ. I want to watch this shit. I want to watch this shit. It's going to pick a direction at some point. North Italia. Yo, Darrell's nutsack. That's the one right next to in the like next to the, in the Green Valley Ranch in the district and all that shit. Where Shake Shack is and all confirm for me Darrell's nutsack. Yo, dude. All right. I know, yeah. Did you ever have Flower Child? That place is fucking good. It's not, you're not gonna, I mean, it's more like a you could eat in there. It's more like a takeout spot for me. But have you ever had Echo and Rig in there? If you like a good steak and you just like a great fucking atmosphere and good service, Echo and Rig is my favorite steakhouse on the whole fucking strip. And it's not even a ton of money. I mean, not the whole strip. I like it better. It's my favorite steakhouse in all of Vegas. And I went to Don's Prime, and Don's Prime was my favorite, the best steak I've had on the strip. I'm in Nevada. I'm in Vegas. Are they really all part of Cheesecake Factory? That's fucking crazy. I didn't know that. Yo, look at that. Look at that. You see that? I had no idea. Yeah, there's a Cheesecake Factory on the other side of the Green Valley Parkway. Yo, Jim Blob, am I capable? It depends on if there's any oil handy. I had no idea. Flower Child is really good for like, it's really good if you want a clean meal, like clean eating. Yo, Darrell's nutsack. Hit me up, bro. Hit me up. We'll go to fucking, if you haven't had Echo and Rig yet, I'll take you. My treat. Hit me up. Slide into my DMs in the Discord. How many contracts do I trade? Usually, I mean, not with gold the way it's moving right now. I'm usually, with the NQ, I'm like 2 to 3 most of the time. Like, it depends on the account, too. It depends on the account I'm in, Christian. All right. You know what? I'm done for the day with this fucking account. I'm not fucking around with this shit. Minis. Shit, it's almost 6 o'clock. Dinner's on the counter. Uh-oh, I got to eat. I want to eat and then go to the gym. Oh, look at this. This shit's going to pump. I'm telling you, it's going to come up here. Yep, there it goes. It ain't done. We got new hour fuckery happening. Look at that. It's up fucking how many ticks? 70 ticks. And counting. You fucking piece of shit. That's what I wanted. That's all I wanted. I wanted to move like that. I guess I'm not done. I'm going to regret this. I'm going to regret it. Look at where it rejected right here. Same level. I think it's going to blow through it at some point, though. I'm done. I ain't fucking with this account. I got 4 days in. I'm over $2,000 after 4 days. I'm at $2,120 through 4 days, but man, I'm getting some serious FOMO right now. It's going to blow through this eventually. I got some FOMO. I mean, there's guys. I don't know if anybody talks in voice. I don't know. Just go in there. Caleb, what up? Yeah, Nikolai. Yo, thanks, Alan Rose. Thanks, man. King Penguin, what up? Hey, at least you got 1/3 of the move. It's more than I could say. It keeps rejecting off this. I just feel like it's going to fucking blow right through it. This is a key. I mean, I don't know. We could go lower, but that was a key level. I've been waiting for that to fucking hit for days. I've been saying on the daily, rewind the tape. Even today I said it. I've been saying that this was a key level. We could bounce off of this level and then go up and make new highs. If that doesn't hold, it could be around here. Maybe at the bottom, but like around here, you know, that's what I was thinking. And here we are. We did bounce like when it first hit it, we bounced like 160 something ticks. Let me draw a happy Fibonacci. Let's see what happens. It might have to come down a little bit more, but yo, look, it's like it's right here's the midline. If it comes to the top of these candles, that's the midline on the fib. The 618 is right here. Look, the 618 is at this level. See what I'm saying? What up, Coca-Cola? No Diddy. All right, be good, Caleb. Thanks for popping on and saying what's up, bro. NQ's kind of, I don't know. It did just pop from 14 to 49. That's a 35-point move. Look at that, bro. Look at that. $3.96 times 3. Fuck the world. Day 6 locked in the books. Day 6 locked there. $7.46 here. Day 7 locked there. We did it, Joe. Requested a payout here. Am I still logged into this fucking account? We are still logged in. We're pending. We got $8,000 worth of payout request on the horizon. Friday we'll request another $2,000. Monday we'll request another $6,000. And maybe after Wednesday we'll request another $2,000, depending on how this goes on this account number 282. These I don't know when we're going to request because, first of all, they're only on day 2, and I fucking treated the 30% daily loss limit, not the daily loss limit, but the 30% drawdown rule. I treated that shit like Meek Mills. Like P. Diddy treated Meek Mills on more than one occasion. You know what I'm saying, guys? So if I were to request a payout on these, if I could get it there, they're gonna get denied. GMAT, what up? How do I like wealth charts? I don't love it. You know what I like about wealth charts though? $85 per month PA activation fee. It's $20 less than fucking Tradeovate. So it's tolerable. It's tolerable. It sucks though. It's not great. There's no order block. I don't know. I don't see this. You see this right here? We got the fucking bid, the ask, and the last. It's not. It doesn't exist on wealth charts. How do you not have this? How the fuck do you not have this on a fucking platform that's for trading and traders? So it's very amateur to me, just based on that alone. Yo, Jim Blob. I could find you a recording. I could find you a recording of the audio on Twitter somewhere. If you really want to know how it played out. All right, guys. I got to get the fuck out of here. I want to eat. I want to eat. Yeah, it's not that good, bro. It's not that good. But I know how to use it. I'm okay. I know how to use it enough that I got 2 accounts to $2,000 payouts each to max payout land. I will tell you, for whatever reason, and I'm not the only one who's like this, I feel like people trade different platforms differently. For whatever reason, I will hold the trade longer. I hit my take profit. I let a trade hit my take profit more in wealth charts than anywhere else. I don't know why. I'm just telling you. It just is the way it is. I'm not sure why. Oh my God, look at fucking this shit dropped. So anyway, John Amos. No, thank you. DGen Futures, what up? No, max payout land, meaning the most I could take out is 2K on a 50K. The most I could take out is 2,000, and I have to grow it to 4,100 or more. 4,100 is the minimum to take out 2,000. So I call that max payout land. What the fuck just happened? Why does that make those noises? Yo, I just heard. Yo, I don't like when that happens. I heard the. Do you guys hear that randomly on Tradeovate? The random fucking account nuked noise? The dung! I just heard that shit. I'm like, what the fuck? I just almost shit my pants. Make sure I don't have any open orders in any of these fucking things. I can't be the only one who that deals with that shit. That fucking scared the fuck out of me. Motherfuckers. Someone's trying to phantom trade my accounts or some shit. I didn't even open a trade in this one. I'm waiting to request a payout. I didn't even fucking do anything in here either. I got this one eval I hit the daily loss limit on during the stream. And then I got this one I passed. I passed this one. Let's get the $1. Let's get the $100 right now. I'm such a fucking degenerate. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Get back up there. Please. No. I'm going to get stopped out. Get the fuck up there. And then I'm really going to go. I'm going to get stopped out. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, it's just the eval. Thank God. I don't even care. It's just the eval. Thank God. It's just the eval. I don't even give a fuck about that shit. DGen. Yeah. I'm still managing 750 loss. It actually tells you when you go into a trade on well charts, it'll tell you. When you enter a trade, it'll tell you where the 30% is. It'll put a line there. You see this? Liquidation indicator on. It tells you the liquidation. It'll tell you where you get liquidated. And you could turn it off, but it'll tell you where you get liquidated, and it'll tell you where the 30% line is. Yeah, I did exit all, cancel all. Exit all, cancel all right here. I do it here. You could also do it up here, which I don't want to do in this account. We'll just let this fucking thing go. $538. You think that's what it is? Oh, yeah, because they take the money out. I don't know. Let me check if I could request. Oh, great. Of course, I'm going to get $100 now, and I'm in the wrong account. Let me see if I can request. No, not yet. It's still showing yesterday's numbers. Anyway. All right, got Pitar. What up, man? Yeah, we just hit it. We hit 32. Well, you think, when we go back up to 3260? Yeah. I mean, if that's the bounce, if this is where the bounce is on gold, man, we go for a fucking ride. I just don't know if we're done going down. HR. I hear, dude, I heard it. I saw, like, you know how you can see the fucking the noise, the speaker icon when there's sound coming out of one of your tabs? I heard the fucking noise, and then I saw it on all my trade baits. I'm like, what the fuck? This shit scared me. I want to do this again. I'm fucking nervous as hell. I've been hearing it lately. It's not in my head. I'm hearing it for real and seeing it. I swear. I'm fucking paranoid now, bro. All right, please stop me out. Just take me out of this fucking trade. I don't give a fuck. All right, we're done. Cool. At least it wasn't. If it was the EVA, I would have had over $100 before, but whatever. No, it didn't cut. The sound doesn't come across on the stream for whatever reason, but I heard it and I saw it. That noise gets my attention. What up, Isaac? If you took 3 trades that put you over the payout and 1 violates, what do you mean? If you violate the 30%, then they denied it. You don't lose the account. You don't lose the balance. You don't lose anything. You just get denied because you violated one of their stupid rules. You still have all the balance. So, like, I could take this account. Let's say, all right, so perfect example. These 4, 83, 84, 85, 86. Let's say I push them to 4,100 plus. I request, I get denied. I have the entire balance stays in there. And then, unless I'm like doing some shit like bracket trading, whatever, maybe they'll take it away. But I'm just doing regular trading, and I just happen to violate the 30% rule 3 or 4 times because I traded these at, crazy volatility times, and I was just like, whatever. So I will maintain $4,100 balance. I'm just gonna have to trade clean for 8 days and then request again. I've done that like 3 or 4 times. I've gotten paid probably actually more than 3 or 4 times. Hold on. It's happened. I've done it at least 4 times where I got denied. 127 and 128 right here. That's 2. I got denied on those for violating some fucking rule. And then I got paid right here and right here. Where else? 113 I got denied, got paid. 114 I got denied, got paid. I think that's it. So 4 times. 4 times I've done it. So nothing happens. You have the balance, you have the account still, you don't lose the account. You just get to continue trading. Don't violate the rules next time. Try to be clean. Yeah. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in the benzo. What up, DB? Yeah, DB, yeah. He heard the fucking noise and he's like, no fucking way. Like, what the fuck happened? Yeah, that was just me. But nothing happened. All right, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I gotta eat. I gotta go to the gym. I haven't worked out since fucking Monday. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for being a part of the payout request party. We'll do that again on Friday. And then I'll be streaming. I don't know when I'm coming back on tonight. Like, it might be closer to when London opens. It might be closer to when, we're bleeding into the early morning and the pre-market. I don't know. And then I'll be on for sure during Power Hour. Okay? Remember, Apex and Bullinox, 80% off and 91% off, ending at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. If you want to grab some accounts and you want to support the channel, use code ZERODAYJay and everything else, all that other shit. Thank you so much again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll be in the Discord hanging out on and off, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.